Yeah, practice. Yes. Down. Yeah. Now all of you guys start working on presenting the answers and what? And writing everything in your answers. Right? So yeah. So these were the like did this problem, but some of you had some problem in this question and in this question. Rest of the question you guys did. Oh, Sharma, the MCQs, I don't MCQ we can do that, but now what I want, right? Because in school, in MCQ, yeah, that is obviously and absolutely correct. In MCQ's question, you don't need to explain every other things. But I want to see what methods you have applied to find out these answers, right? So that way I can check these. Right, right beside and yeah, in the final exam, whenever you get MCQs question, so you don't need to explain those. Yes, absolutely correct, and you just write those answers. Right? So, but for the subjective ones, you write everything. You make diagrams, write everything, and yeah. But for MCQ, you can skip those explanation parts. So, yes, obviously, yes, absolutely correct. But yeah, whenever in my case, please write these explanation, right? Otherwise, okay. So fifth question, all of you guys have done. So in the question, right? Let's say I don't have this paper, right? I had the paper AO equals to 2 centimeter. How will I be able to understand what is this AO, right? Let's say I don't have this question. I'm again lagging. What is happening today? Yes, I am again lagging. What is happening with the internet? Uh, am I okay now? Am I audible? Yes. Am I audible now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. So don't get disappointed. I'm not that harsh, right? I'm only talking for your better marks, right? So guys already know me. I only talk about your well-being and your good marks in your exam, right? So I am trying to work on that, right? So okay. So first, whenever you get these questions, you make the diagrams. In that way, just the rough diagram. Don't so that diagram should not be a very beautiful diagram. You can make the rough diagram. You can label them, right? Whatever thing which is given, you should label them. What is this point Q? And then You write all the information which is available, right? So radius is 10 centimeters. So OA equal to OB is 10 centimeter. Right angle at the so angle AOB is 90 degree, right? This is 90. So find the area of the segment AQB, right? So area of AQBP that you guys have to find. AQBP, right? And this is given that pi we have to use 3.1, right? So area of AQBP, what would be that? So we know that hence the area of minor segment AQB. So this area we have to find, right? So what would be this area, Amar? What would be this area? Yes. What would be this area? Yes, Amar, what would be this area? Okay. Forget about this, right? So let's forget about these portions. What is this? What is this thing? OAPB. What is this? Yes, Amar. Yes. What is OAPB? What is that? Hmm. Okay. So this is a sector, right, Amar? So all of you guys start revising all those chapters, right? Whatever we have done so far, and start revising at least daily for half an hour, right? Uh, half an hour maybe, or maybe 45 to 1 hour. So you guys decide that. But minimum half an hour, please start revising. Otherwise, if you don't revise now, so that will show your answer sheet or your exam. So please start revising, right? Amar, this is a sector, right? This is a sector, and we have this area we want to find out, right? This is the segment. So this part we want to find out, right? So if I remove this thing from the sector, then I'll get this, right? So area of AQBP, which is the minor segment, this would be area of OAPB, right? Which is the sector, minor sector, minus of this area of OA, right? So this would be the area that we need to find out. So then we write that what is area of OA. This is what. So this is what would be this? There is one. What would be this area of sector? What would be that? Yes, Rizwan, now where are you? All of you guys, where are you guys? Hello? Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you are smiling. Yeah, right. So, okay. What would be area of OAPB? Sir, area of OAPB. Question 6. Harshit, did you take that area related to circle? Did you take minus triangle? Yes, yes, absolutely right. Yes, yes, Harshit. That is what we have written. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Yeah. Now we are trying to find out this area of sector. Yes, it is one. What is happening? Why did you guys? What happened? So those were just for the what should I check? Yeah, theta by 360 pi s square. Yeah. So your Shoaib is telling me the answer. What is happening with you? Yes. This is R, right? So theta is 90 degree, right? And then this is a 360 and pi r square, right? So this is 4 and pi r is 10 into 10 divided by 4. So 2, 5, 2, 5. So 25 pi. This is the area of this sector and area of triangle OAP. That would be how much? Half, because this is a 90-degree angle. So I can take this as a base, or I can take this as a base, and this would be the height. So half OA into OB. So half OA is how much? That is the radius. So O, we have to take pi to be 3.1. So we put that value later. So 10 into 10. So this is 50. So then, what would be area of OA or AQBP? That would be whatever we have got. So 25 pi minus of 50, right? Which means that 25 into 3.14 minus 50. This is how much? 100 and 25 ones are 25 and 10, 35 and 75 plus 3, 78. So 0.5 minus 50. This is 50, this is 8, and this is 3. And centimeters square, right? So this is the area of the minor segment. Okay. So I have written all the information. I have made the diagram. I have written in all the information. And when somebody checks my answer sheet, right? So we'll get to know about 28.5. Yeah. 7 minus 5, right? And somebody checks my answer sheet, then he will have all the information which would be available, right? So please write your answer writing all the information which are available, right? So please please do that. And this was only the minor segment. Then we can also calculate area of major segment, which would be area of that ALBQA. ALBQA. And this is okay, Shaima. What would be area of major segment, right? So let
Area of
us,
circle minus area of minus segment.
yeah, area of circle minus area of minor segment, right? And if we make that diagram also, right, somewhere here, below this thing, somewhere here. So this is this is what this was A P, right? This was A P B, right? A P B, and this was, I guess, Q. And then we have this N. So this area we have to find, right? So if you make that diagram, then this would be again understandable. So area of circle is pi r square minus this 28.5 centimeter square that we have got, right? So pi is 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 28.5. This is 314 minus 28.5. So zero point 0.5, and then this is 13 minus 8, 5, and this is again this is 9. This is 10 to 8. So this is 285, right? Point 5. Okay. So why am I here? This is the area of AL. Okay. So this is how you write all the answers. Whenever you have these geometric right? So you guys have seen that whenever I solve the answer, I always make those diagrams, right? So those whenever we are doing these mensuration thing, the diagrams are very important. They will contain all the information, and on the basis of that, we can solve the questions, right? So yeah, don't you guys think that your teacher will see the question paper and then he will get back to this answer. Sometimes they can cut marks with right time. Like, please uh, do this. All of you guys have, I guess, calculated all these answers. So only which question which was giving problems, that was this question and this question. So question number 8 and 9 is text. Not for the classes. Okay, so this will be the way that we should solve these problems, right? Please take care of these things in your final exam. Okay, and I'm trying to just tell you that these would be the scenarios in which they can come. So please don't take take them seriously and take this in your heart, right? Okay. Yeah, with the question that you guys have done already, so we need to put it down. So I will just do this question, right? Eighth and ninth problem. Okay, eighth and ninth problem because you guys had some problem in this eighth and ninth problem. Eighth and ninth question. So any of you guys want to note down this problem? Any of, because you already did this problem in your answer. Only this thing was missing, and these information were missing, right? All these information. You just started with this one, and then you got this answer. Yes, Amar, did you? Yeah. So Is that clear for everyone? What should we do in these kind of questions? Is this clear? Yes, guys. Why you guys are so silent today?
So can you hear me now?
Yeah. I can hear you. Yes, I can hear
So can you hear me now?
So my laptop.
you. Now this one has come to this thing. Yes, yes, Amma. Did you understand that? What was the mistake? Did you understand?
Yes, sir, but I couldn't speak because my laptop was getting stuck. So
Oh yeah. No worries, no worries, no worries. So as I'm telling you guys that I want to prepare all of you and I want every one of my students to score good marks. So that is the only thing that I want, right? All of you. So that would also make me happy. So sometimes one has to be stricter to yeah teach something, right? So that is what I'm doing, and that is only for your well-being. Okay, so let me erase this thing. And just to tell you guys that I was crying when I was checking those answer sheets, right? So what have you done? These were the things that I was thinking about, right? So okay. Now let us do these because all of you guys did this problem. Only the doubt was in the eighth and ninth problem. Rest of the question you guys have done. And you guys can also ask me in which question you have doubts, right? So you can also do that whenever you face. I have given you guys full what authority to ask any question in which you have doubts, right? And Harshit, when is your exam? When is your exam?
so Thursday.
Thursday. And how is the preparation going on?
Good, sir.
Good. Then are you comfortable now in your trigonometric portion? Still
Yes, sir,
some
kinda.
kind of means 60-40 ratio, right? 60%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that we work upon because we have again 3 days, and you work on these application of trigonometry approach, area electrical circuit, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was the question in which you had some doubts, right? So, hmm, okay, and Shaima, APP, how is this segment? How is this segment, Shaima?
Sir, I drew a new diagram.
Yes. Yeah. So you have that is why
Corresponding.
in your answer sheet I have written very good whenever you guys have written the diagram, right? So whenever you guys have drawn the diagrams, I have yeah applauded those things in the answer sheet, also, right? So when you get those answer sheets, so you guys would, so you have written this thing as the segment. Is this a segment?
No, sir, I have reformed another figure.
Oh, reform. Oh, the other figure was something like this, right? So something like this one, and I think these were the right. Okay, so let us correct that. And this is some square that we have, right? Now you guys will tell. So labeling is also important. P and Q. So this is the labeling. And OA given is OA is 20 centimeters. And we have to find out the area of right. So we have to find out the area of the shaded. So first thing that we need to find out, right? OA is given. This thing is given. So can you guys tell that we have these things? So in a quadrant, in a circle, in a segment, what is the most crucial thing? What is the most important parameter?
Radius.
Radius, right? So we need to find out the radius. And in these diagrams, what are the radii that we have? What are the radii? Because this one is a quadrant, right? This thing is a quadrant. So what are the radii? In the meantime, I can check this. Yes, guys, what are the radii?
$20 centimeter.
No, you see that this is the, let me write, let me write,
OP, OQ, and
OP.
OB are the radii.
Yeah, OP and OB and this thing. These are the radii, right, everyone? Is that clear, Hashim?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so this thing is right. So yeah. So this is 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. Right. This is 20 centimeters. So this would be how much, guys? What would be this thing? This is 90. This is 20. So OA equal to
20
AB.
root.
Yeah. So BC equal to OC. So these are all 20 centimeters, right? Now OB, as Shaima is saying, this is a hypotenuse, right? This is a hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is how much? Hypotenuse is perpendicular square plus perpendicular square plus base square root under, right? So this is 20 square plus 20 square. So this is 2 into 20 square. So 20 is outside, so 20. So this thing is 20. OB now is 20, right? And we know that OP equal to OB equal to what was the other thing? Okay, okay. These are the examples, right? Now we have everything. So we have everything, and then we can right. So then we can calculate the other. So what would be the area of this shaded region? What would be
Area of
the,
vector minus area of square.
yeah? So this thing you didn't do in your answer sheet, right, Shaima?
Yes, sir. Later I checked the answer in Google.
Yeah. Oh, you check, yeah, yeah. Oh, but in these exams you didn't, you guys don't take the help of people, right? Yeah. So area of shaded region, right? As Shaima mentioned, right? So if what we do is that sector, from this sector, if we remove this square part, I should use the other color. So if I remove this square part, then what will be remaining? These shaded regions will be remaining, right? So area of shaded region would be area of OQBP, right? Area of sector OQBP minus area of square. What was the square name? OCB. OCB. Right. So area of sector is how much? Theta by 360 and pi r square minus area of square is side square. So theta is how much? This is a quadrant. So theta is 90 by 360, and we will write that right. And pi we should take. What is the value that we should take? They have told us to take pi equals to 3.1. 3.14 r was how much? 20 y. And side is 20. This is 4 and this is 5. So, so what would be in here? So we can take 5 common, right? And okay, so that is what why this is a very less value. So what is common in here? We have 5 common and 20 common. And root 2 is right. So we can take also 2 common. So this is 3.14, right? Minus how much? So 20 we have taken common, 10 we have common, so 2. So this is 200 and this is 1.1. So 8 to 2 centimeter square or what square? What is the unit? Centimeter. This is centimeter square. So is this thing clear, everyone? Is this thing clear? Yes, is this question clear, everyone? Guys, is this clear? Yes, everyone. Am I audible? Yeah,
Yes,
please,
sir.
please note down this problem. Please take down. And yeah, then we'll do the next question. Whenever you guys want me to scroll down, please. Whenever you guys want me to go down, please. That's it.
So can you scroll down?
Yeah. Oh, it's prayer time here. Okay. Yeah, Harshit, and please, whenever you face any doubt, please, Harshit, text me. Yes. Allah
Yes,
Hafiz.
sir.
Allah Hafiz, Harshit.
Love you, sir.
Yes, whenever you guys have noted it down, please. Oh, who is the other person who got Hey, oh, wait, it Shweb. Oh, one.
So, so I think he third class finished.
Oh, okay, yes, noted everyone, and sorry everyone for this harsh checking, but we have to right.
Yes. So is the match still going on?
Yeah, so
Uh,
let's say in a very bad. This Travis head guy should right. Out. Yes, so noted everyone. Yes, guys, noted.
yes, sir.
Good. So this question we will yeah discuss in the next class, right? And yeah, you guys enjoy or what should I do? Match because match is not enjoyable, but yeah, you guys just bye everyone. Bye, Allah Hafiz.
Love this. I would Australia though.
Why you? Yeah,
I think India will not win. That's
yeah, yeah. But this is final.
yeah.
Maybe in a league stage they could have won, but not this thing.
Hmm.
Yeah, because they are more deserved, right? They have won.
Yeah.
They have won everything, and now they are losing. So